to us that we will get all clear-cut ideas regarding our test, our icebreaker, and all these things. Now, see, our lecture is regarding our first lesson, an astrologer deck. It is written by R.K. Narayan. We will see later introduction about R.K. Narayan. Who was R.K. Narayan? What he has created and what he has done. He has written so many novels. First of all, the name of R.K. Narayan is Rashipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami. Krishna Swami, that is Rashipuram, is the name of his village. Rashipuram is the name of his village. Let it be just mind the name of our author. He is one of the best novelists among Indian English writers. My dear friend, he is one of the greatest novelists among Indian English writers. He has written 14 novels, 5 volumes of short stories, and a number of travelogues, and has a collection of non-fiction to his credit. My dear friend, he is absolutely a great novelist. He is a great novelist among Indian writers. My dear friends, he also have written his memoir, My Dead, as well his memoir in 1975, and Narayan has created his imaginary town Malgudi. And regarding Malgudi, he has produced a serial that is a Malgudi Day. It was very popular on Doordarshan in 90s. Nowadays also, in the period of lockdown, Doordarshan has broadcasted it again. In the Malgudi days, episode number 47, is our test. That is an astrologer day. Now, in Malgudi days, his characters were real characters of our India. Indian characters, original Indian characters were introduced in his writing of Malgudi days. Okay. He has some work, we will see it later. First of all, we will see some icebreaker activities here. Now, first activity number 1. Discuss with your partner. Discuss with your partner and complete the activity. What are your strengths? My dear friends, one of the example is given to you. Here, strengths are given. Why do you feel so? And a dream career. These are 3 columns we have to fill up. Just don't take tension. I will send this PPT to you and then write it in your notebook. Now, just see, just watch what I am telling you. Here, first strength, that is painting and drawing. First activity is of painting and drawing. Why do you feel so? Because we can visualize, we can express, we can visualize and we can express. That's why it is my strength. And what is the dream career in painting and drawing? What is the dream career in painting and drawing? In painting and drawing, there you can become a commercial artist or cartoonist. Can you tell me something different than this? Can you tell me something different than this, that what you can pursue, what you can do in this regarding this strength? ही जी तुमची ताकद आहे, या ताकदीच्या संदर्भात तुम्ही काय करिअर करू शकता, या दोन करिअर व्यतिरिक्त मला सांगू शकता का? सांगा बरं. Yes, anybody? Harshada, Bhaskar, Harshada, Chaitanya, are you getting me or not? तुम्हाला समजतंय का मी काय विचारतोय हे? समजतंय का? हॅलो. Okay. Next, that is dancing. Dancing is my strength. Why do I feel so dancing is my strength? Because of my passion and expression. Because of my passion and expression. Then what can I do? What can I become? What kind of career I can do regarding my strength? I can become a choreographer or an artist. Then in singing is my strength. In singing, why do I feel so? Because I know voice modulation. आवाजाची चढ उतार मला चांगल्या प्रकारे माहिती आहे. And that's why singing is my strength. Then what can I pursue? If I know singing, if it is my strength, then I can be or I can pursue a singer. Then music is my strength. And then what can I pursue? What can I do if I know music? That if I know music, I can become a music composer or musician. And why do I so feel that I have strength of music? Because I have passion for musical instruments, or to get peace and relaxation after listening to music. So, my dear friend, these are my strengths. Then, acting is also my strength. Enunciating as per situations is my feeling, and that's why I can become an actor. Then making various kinds of dishes is also my one of the trend, and that's why I can become what I can become chef because I love to make food. My dear friends, my another strength is to ask questions. My another strength is to ask questions. Why I feel so? Because it is it can raise critical issues. And what can I become? I can become news anchor, journalist. Then another strength, that is write stories. I feel it because I can arrange different ideas and events. And what can I become? I can become a writer. Then what is my next strength? That is persuade. I can convince anyone. I can convince anyone. That is my strength. And so, what are the careers regarding my this strength, that I could become salesman or businessman? Then, next strength, weaving and sewing. Why I feel so? Because I can design clothes. I can sew clothes. And so, what can I become in my life? What are the career opportunities for me regarding my strength? That I can become dress designer. My dear friends, now there is activity number 2. What do you see in this picture? Can anybody answer me? Answer me first. What do you see in this picture? तुम्हाला या चित्रामध्ये काय दिसतंय सांगू शकता का? या चित्रामध्ये आय थिंक सो इट इज अ मार्केट प्लेस. एक काहीतरी बाजारपेठ आहे, बरोबर आहे. बाजारपेठेमध्ये पीपल आर बाईंग अँड सेलिंग. लोक काहीतरी विकत घेत आहेत, काही विकत आहेत. आर यू गेटिंग इट ऑर नॉट? ओके. सी what is the activity regarding this. The scene in a local market of a village, town or city is very attractive. People with different occupations sell their wares. Discuss with your partner the variety of activities at the local market. Now, in the picture, we have seen there were people selling and purchasing. कोणी विकणारे आहेत, तरी कोणी विकत घेणारे आहेत. ओके. हे चित्र आपण या ठिकाणी पाहिलेलं आहे. बाजाराचं वर्णन हे अत्यंत मोहक, अत्यंत अट्रॅक्टिव्ह असं त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला वाटते. There are various types of occupations in market. मार्केटमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे व्यवसाय उपलब्ध आहेत, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे साधनं ते विकत आहेत. काही जण मिरच्या विकत असतात तर काही जण बटाटे विकत असतात. तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल, बाजारामध्ये गेला असाल तर तुम्ही हेही तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल की एखादं दुकान टीव्ही विकण्याचं असेल तर एखादं दुकान त्याच्या शेजारी टीव्ही रिपेअर करण्याचं असेल किंवा फ्रीज विकण्याचं असेल किंवा दुसरं कशाचं दुकान असेल, एखादं स्टेशनरीचं असेल म्हणजे कॉस्मेटिक्सचं असेल, एखादं पुस्तकाचं असेल किंवा इतर वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची दुकानं असतील. अशा प्रकारचं चित्र बाजारपेठेचं आपल्याला या ठिकाणी सांगता येईल. आता प्रत्येक बाजारपेठेमधलं काही ना काही दुकान कोणत्या ना कोणत्या प्रकारच्या व्यवसायामध्ये ते अडकलेले असतात. ओके, तर what are the activities you notice in the local market? These activities I have mentioned over here. What is the first activity? First activity is already given in our textbook, that is selling flowers and selling groceries. Okay, the next activity, selling sweets, namkins, bangles, artificial jewelry, homemade medicines. Then selling fruits, vegetables, home utensils, beauty products, clothes, etc. Then bantering, bargaining, discussing, joking, shouting, all these things. Then transport of goods and other products, movement of person and hand carts. Then use of different dialects or languages. Now, my dear friends, again there is activity number 3. Activity number 3. What do you see on your screen? तुम्हाला स्क्रीन वरती काय दिसतंय? स्क्रीन वरती there you can see दाते पंचांग, isn't it? दिसतंय का? दाते पंचांग दिसतंय का? त्याचबरोबर lemon and what is that? Are you getting? Lemon and chili. Then what is the next picture? Next, it is cowrie cells. कवड्या आपण त्याला म्हणतो बघा, मराठीमध्ये आपल्याकडे कवड्या त्याला म्हणतात, cowrie cells. Then in the third picture, what do you see? काय दिसतंय बघा बरं? It is a picture of an astrologer. There is a parrot in front of him. That parrot has picked up a chick. The dressing of an astrologer is different than normal human beings. See, in a village, a town or city, it is quite a common sight to see an astrologer sitting by the roadside with his professional equipment. Now, give a list the requirements for his trade. So, here we can see the picture of an astrologer sitting by the roadside and his all the paraphernalia, all the equipment. Now, what are the equipment required to be an astrologer? They are parrot, cards, etc. cowrie cells, obscure things, clothes, mala, beds, flowers, etc. Lemon, green chilies, sindoor, books, photos of deity, wands, etc. Then panchang, mystic charts, palmyra, writing, stick, and mat. All these are the things essential for an astrologer. या सर्व ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत त्या सर्व गोष्टी एका ज्योतिषाला, एका भविष्यकाराला त्या ठिकाणी आवश्यक असतात. Now, activity number 4. Here, I will read an activity. There are certain unreasonable beliefs among people living in our society. Certain common events are linked with superstitions. List such events, discuss the superstitions linked with them, and the means of their eradication. Eradication means nirmulan. Superstitions means andhashraddha, disbelief. Okay. So, there are some unreasonable beliefs among the people living in our society. आपल्या समाजामध्ये राहणाऱ्या लोकांमध्ये काही विनाकारणच कोणत्याही गोष्टीवरती ते विश्वास ठेवत असतात. जसं की फॉर एक्झाम्पल, we are given over here a cat crossing your path. जर मांजराने तुमचा मार्ग अडवला तर, किंवा मार्गावरून गेली तर, मार्गावरून आडवी गेली तर, किंवा मांजर दिसलं तर, फार तर्क असतात पहा समाजामध्ये. कॅट क्रॉसिंग युअर पॅथ, लगेच आपण म्हणतो नाही, अरे वी शुड नॉट गो बाय दिस डिरेक्शन. आपण ह्या मार्गाने गेले नाही पाहिजे बरं का. व्हॉट शुड वी डू? मिनिमम वी शुड गो बॅकवर्ड. थोडस आपण मागे गेलं पाहिजे, मिनिमम 10 feet. Then give me such a kind of common beliefs, unreasonable beliefs. Can you tell me some common unreasonable beliefs? I have mentioned over here that to cut nails at night, रात्री नख कापणे, आपल्याला घरचे म्हणतात पहा, संध्याकाळी नख कापू नये बरं का, अपशकुन होत असतो. देयर इज नो अपशकुन एट ऑल. अपशकुन वगैरे काही नसतं, परंतु इट इज बिलीफ, असा विश्वास. हाऊ इज बिलीफ? आपल्याला आपल्या पालकांनी सांगितलं म्हणून आपण त्याच्यावरती विश्वास ठेवतो. पुन्हा वी ट्रान्समिट दॅट टीचिंग टू अवर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. दॅट इज व्हॉट it has no proofs. That's why they are called as a disbelief. Now the third disbelief is to see the woman carrying empty pitchers. Now, if someone has seen a woman who is carrying empty pitcher, that is also called as a bad omen. Bad omen, that is a bad omen. Apshakun, yes, apshakun. Then to kill the cat. To killing the cat is also is supposed to be a bad omen. Then to set salt on the palm, हातावरती मीठ देणे. आपण हातावरती मीठ देत नाही म्हणतो, नाही 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 नाही, हातावर मीठ दिलं की आपला एकमेकांवरचा जीव कमी होतो, आपल्या एकमेकांवरचं प्रेम कमी होतं वगैरे, नाही का. ही आपली अंधश्रद्धा आहे. दिस इज आवर सुपरस्टिशन. Then to blow the burning lamp, that is diya, oil lamp. एखादा दिवा आपण घरामध्ये लावतो आणि तो दिवा आपण जर फुकला, बघा बऱ्याच वेळा सिरियल मध्ये चित्रपटामध्ये अशा प्रकारचे प्रसंग दाखवलेले असतात. तो जो ऍक्टर असतो त्याचा ऍक्सिडेंट झालेला असतो किंवा काहीतरी त्याला कोणीतरी मारलेलं असतं आणि घरामध्ये त्याच्या वाचण्याची कोणीतरी प्रार्थना करत असतं आणि त्या ठिकाणी दिवा लावलेला असतो. परंतु अचानक काय होतं, तो दिवा विझतो आणि तो व्यक्ती सुद्धा तिकडं असं दाखवलं चित्रपटामध्ये अशा प्रकारचं दाखवलं जातं, सांगितलं जातं. बट इज इट ट्रू? पण हे खरं आहे का? नॉट ॲट ऑल इट इज ट्रू. इट इज अ सुपरस्टिशन. ही सुद्धा एक काय आहे? अंधश्रद्धा. टू टच द ट्रीज ॲट नाईट, संध्याकाळी झाडांना हात लावू नये, हे सुद्धा एक अंधश्रद्धा. टू हिअर द काउज ऑफ क्रो, दॅट इज क्रोईंग ऑफ द क्रो. आपण disbelief. What if we arrange marriage for animals, then drought may go on, that drought may go and it will bring good rain for us. असा आपला विश्वास असतो की आपण जर प्राण्यांचं लग्न लावून दिलं तर दुष्काळ हटेल आणि चांगला पाऊस येईल. ही सुद्धा एक प्रकारची अंधश्रद्धा. हँग लेमन अँड चिलीज, बघा आपल्या दारामध्ये लिंबू आणि त्याला मिरच्या अशा लटकवल्या जातात. त्याने काही होतं का? काही होत नाही. परंतु तरी सुद्धा नाही इट इज गुड असं म्हटलं जातं की चांगलं असतं ते. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, आपल्यावरती आपल्या कुटुंबावरती कोणाची वाईट नजर पडत नाही. बट इट इज ऑल्सो अ डिसबिलीफ. इट इज ऑल्सो अ सुपरस्टिशन. हँग ब्लॅक डॉल ऑन द डोअर, दरवाजावरती काळी डॉल बाहुली त्या ठिकाणी लटकवणे. सिंग आउट ऑन द वे, आपण रस्त्याने जात येत असताना घुबड पाहणे. आउल दॅट इज घुबड. किंवा डोनेटिंग अमाऊंट इन फिगर 11, 21, 51 अँड सो ऑन. बघा आपल्याला जेव्हा जेव्हा दान वगैरे करायचं असतं ना, किंवा कोणाची पावती वगैरे गणपती मंडळाला द्यायची असते तर 21, 51, 11, 101, 1001 अशा स्वरूपातच आपण त्या ठिकाणी डोनेशन करतो. व्हाय इट इज? का बरं असं करतो? देयर इज नो लॉजिकल रिझन बिहाइंड इट. याच्या पाठीमागे काही लॉजिकल रिझन नाहीये. फक्त आणि फक्त दॅट इज सुपरस्टिशन, अंधश्रद्धा आहे. स्वीपिंग ऑफ होम ॲट नाईट, संध्याकाळी घर झाडून घेऊ नये. घरात सांगतात की का झाडून घेऊ नये? कारण संध्याकाळी जर घर झाडून घेतलं तर आपल्या घरातली लक्ष्मी जाईल. It is also supposed to be a bad omen. It is also a superstition. And painting black spots to the infant. आणि एखादं नवजात बाळ असेल तर त्या नवजात बालकाच्या चेहऱ्यावरती its mother, that child's mother, paint black spots on his cheeks or on his forehead. त्याच्या कपाळावरती किंवा त्याच्या गालावरती त्याची आई एक काळा टिपका देत असते. का? Because she supposes that nobody should look with what? Bad desire. नजरेने कुणीही तिच्या मुलाकडे पाहू नये किंवा कुणाचीही नजर तिच्या बाळाला लागू नये म्हणून ते काय करतात, काळा स्पॉट त्या बाळाच्या गालावरती देत असते. परंतु असं होतं का? नाही. It is also a superstition. My dear friends, now there we have some means to eradicate the superstition. मग ही जी काय अंधश्रद्धा आहे, ही अंधश्रद्धा दूर करण्याचे साधनं सुद्धा. What are the means to eradicate the superstition? First means to eradicate the superstition is by keeping scientific attitude. We should look at each and every incident in scientific outlook, scientific attitude, finding rational behind them. We should find the reason why. We should ask questions to the person, to the people who are stopping us, who has, that is, they told us not to do that thing. Then we must ask them why not, why we should stop doing that work, why should we halt. That we should ask them the reason. Then exposing their falsehood. What to do?